Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome. As you can see, we go to our Chrome and click on the three dots there. We have the option for incognito. But if we want to disable this completely, here's how to do it. We're going to go over to our start, we're going to click on Windows and search for run. Now when run is open, we're going to type in regedit, just like this. So we have regedit written and we're going to click on OK. You might have to say yes to some permissions, and it will open this box. So go ahead and click on H key local machine. Click the drop down and we're going to look for software. On the software, we're going to scroll down to policies, click the drop down, and here we have some softwares. We're going to right click on policies, go to new and select key. Under key, we're going to type in Google and click enter. And on Google again, we're going to right click on it, go to new, select key and put in Chrome. Click on enter. And while we're highlighted in Chrome, because we're currently on the Chrome, you can see at address here, policies, Google Chrome. So once we're here, we're going to right click and under new, we're going to hover over it and slide to dword 32-bit value. And then here we're going to give it a precise name. And this is very important. We're going to type in incognito mode availability using the camel case key. Now what this means is for each new word, this will be in capital. I'm going to show you right now, so you just need to watch the screen. As you can see, we have incognito mode availability. Click on enter. And then next we're going to double click on it. And then we're going to have this dialog box pop open. You can see currently the value data is at 0. So for us to disable the incognito mode, we just need to delete the 0 and click on 1. When we click on 1 and press OK on our keyboard, the new rule has been set for Google Chrome. The last thing we need to do is to restart our computers and come back to Chrome, and the incognito mode will be completely disabled. So this is how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome.